Welcome to opencv. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you like how you can form different shapes on your CV frame. Let us take you are making a face detection program and you want to create a horn or a crown or a circle around your face. So the first thing we will learn how to draw a line in the frame. So the syntax is very simple. It's like image cv2.line. Over here it is the frame. So you can take it as a frame or image, and x comma y is the origin of the line and x comma y minus 100. So second one is the end of the line, and these are the different colors which you will be putting it to the line, and comma 10. So 10 is the width of the line. So we'll directly move to the program. So yeah, so this you can see, this is a simple face detection program, and in this face detection program, in this line I have made the uh, like code for making the line in the frame. So over here you can see like cv2 dot line image, and then x comma y is the origin, this is the end point, and this is the color. So now when I click on F5, it will start. So yeah, it's showing for found one face. So over here you can see that it's drawing a line over here and here. Let us take, I want to draw the line from this end to this end. So you can see this end to this end I have to change the x value. So let us change it and see. So to come out of this, so let us take, I am putting it x plus 100, and let us put the y line same. So now when I run this, first it asks me to save, yes, and now, okay, so it's showing me found face, and now you can see it has created a horizontal face. Okay, so this is like red in color. Now we'll move down to the different one. Let us take, I want to make a triangle on this face. So I'll click escape button, close it, and let us go to the same PPT. Okay, so the next one is how to draw a triangle in a frame. So we have to draw three lines to form a triangle. So normally I have taken these three values. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this code. Okay, let me just copy this code. Control C, I go to the code I have. So Control V. Control V. So make sure that it is in the same line so that you don't get any error. And in this also the color is red. Let us change this time the color. So over here I am making it of different color so that you can just know what are the different colors we have. So let us take 255 is the first one I have done, and the second line I am drawing with 255 the different one, and yeah. So over here again we have made it three different lines. So now let us run it. So first it will ask me to save, yes, yeah. Okay, so it has come, let us see. Yeah. So now you can see this has drawn a triangle, and the first one is blue color, the second one is green color, and the third one is red in color. Okay. Now moving to the another frame, like if I want to make a star on top of it. So for making a star we have done 5 lines of coding, so we'll just copy and go to the same program where we have done it. So yeah, since the program is still running, first we'll close it and then we will just replace these three codes with the line of star code, and we need to take care that the spaces are same, else you will find an intent error. Okay, yeah, so now we'll run this code and we'll see is it forming a star on the face or not. Okay, first we have to close this. Okay, so now we'll run this code. So it may take again some time. So over here we got a error. So in place of frame, we have to write image. So now you can see I have made it all of them image. So now go run module. Okay. So it has found the face. Now let us see. Yeah. So you can see it has created a star